AquaSonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush 8 DuPont brush heads and travel case included, ultrasonic 40,000 VPM motor and wireless charging 4 modes W Smart Timer, modern electric toothbrush. 40,000 VPM Smart Toothbrush, beauty, brains and power. The Black Series is a world-class modern electric toothbrush packed with the most up-to-date technology. It features an ultra-powerful and industry-leading motor producing 40,000 vibrations per minute lithium-ion battery, ultra-fast wireless charging, 4-mode operation, smart vibration timers, 8 DuPont engineered brush heads and bristles, and a custom travel case, all with a sleek ultra-slim, lightweight and IPX7 rated waterproof design. Go beyond just cleaning, AquaSonic removes 10x more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush and 3x more plaque than legacy outdated electric toothbrushes. Whitening mode helps whiten teeth by using inverted frequencies to dissolve surface stains. Massage mode goes beyond teeth to improve gum health by delivering soothing microbursts into tissue to improve circulation and overall health. 8 DuPont brush heads and travel case included. Every Black Series toothbrush comes with 8 brush heads engineered by world-famous DuPont, a world leader in quality and materials science. Each brush head lasts 4 months, so 8 will last for over 2.5 years. Also included is a convenient custom hard-shell travel case made of BPA-free plastic with space for 2 brush heads. AquaSonic can last 4 full weeks, 2 min 2x a day, on a full charge, so it's perfect for on-the-go travel with the included travel case. Modern technology, Black Series brings toothbrushes into modern times with its built-in enhanced features. A lithium-ion battery, ultra-fast wireless charging, forget outdated USB charging, 4 distinct brushing modes and a smart vibrating notification timer are some of the enhanced features built into the sleek and click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.